Latent Semantic Analysis, LSA, SEO. Imagine a world where search engines understand your content, not just on a surface level, but where they grasp the underlying themes and connections within your writing. That's the realm of Latent Semantic Analysis, LSA, and I'm stoked to share why this technique is a game changer for any SEO enthusiast looking to level up their content game. What in the world is LSA? It digs beneath the surface of your words, looking beyond mere keywords to the true meaning behind them. Let's break this down. Latent, it means hidden or concealed. Think of these as the underlying themes and ideas within your text. Semantic, relating to meaning and language. This is where LSA focuses on the relationships between your words and the broader context in which they're used. Analysis, breaking things down to understand them better. LSA examines the patterns in which words and phrases are used throughout your content and a bunch of other documents. How LSA works, the nerdy but cool stuff. Let's get a tad technical without going too deep into the weeds. LSA uses a super cool mathematical process called singular value decomposition, SVD. Here's the gist. The matrix of words, imagine a massive spreadsheet where each row is a word and each column represents a piece of content. Each cell is how often that word appears in a specific chunk of text. Breaking it down, SVD comes in and does some fancy math, essentially breaking down the giant matrix into smaller chunks. Finding the hidden gems, these chunks represent the underlying topics or themes within the content as a whole. LSA, your SEO secret weapon. So, why should you, as an SEO enthusiast, care? Here's why LSA is your new best friend. Search engine smarts. Search engines like Google are getting better at using this type of analysis. Understanding LSA helps you create content that aligns with how search engines think. Beyond keywords, LSA shifts the focus from individual keywords to broader concepts and themes, making your content more robust and adaptable to how people actually search. Content superpowers, imagine being able to find those amazing related terms and phrases that enrich your content, all thanks to the power of LSA. The battle against keyword stuffing, LSA helps you write naturally, emphasizing meaning over shoehorning in keywords, which makes for better quality content loved by users and search engines alike. How to get started with LSA? Ready to try it out? Here are some ways to put LSA to work. LSA tools. There are some awesome tools out there to help you analyze your content and find those semantic gems. Try some free options to start. Topic research. Use LSA tools to find related terms and concepts around your main keywords, then weave them into your writing. Content revamp. LSA is perfect for analyzing existing content to see where it can be improved or expanded upon. Remember, it's not magic. Always prioritize quality content and a great user experience. Think of LSA as a tool to make that awesome content even more discoverable and effective in the world of search. If you want to take your SEO game to the next level, mastering LSA is a serious power move. Subscribe to our channel to get even more actionable tips and insights on this and other powerful SEO techniques.